9th project is now completed. Season 7 was all about the viewer challenges. I took on several of them and I didn't get to do every single one of them. So this season I took a challenge that I was supposed to do for season 6 and decided to do it today. So if you'd like to see this artwork up close, you can visit mind-trip-studio.com or you can follow me on Instagram. Next week I am taking on my first redemption challenge of the season from season 8. See you then.